How to create a design system in Axure 10? In Axure 10, you can follow these steps to create a design system. 1. Design principles and values. Clearly define design principles and values to guide the creation and usage of the design system. These principles may include consistency, accessibility, user-centricity, etc., tailored to your team's needs and goals. 2. Style guidelines. Create style guidelines to standardize the visual styles within the design system. This includes colors, typography, font sizes, border styles, and more. In Axure 10, you can use Widget Style Manager to define these styles and apply them to design elements. 3. Component library. Build a component library that includes commonly used components and elements in the design system, such as buttons, form fields, navigation bars, etc. You can use Axure's Masters feature to create and manage these components, ensuring they align with design principles and style guidelines. 4. Page templates. Page templates in the design system help designers quickly create new pages while maintaining consistency. You can create templates with predefined layouts and styles that can be reused as needed. 5. Variables and interactions. Utilize Axure 10's interaction capabilities and variables to add dynamic and interactive elements to the design system. For example, use conditional logic and interactive actions to display component variations based on different states or control content and behavior using variables. 6. Documentation and annotations. Provide clear documentation and annotations for the design system to guide designers and developers on its usage and specifications. In Axure 10, you can use annotations and descriptive text to document details and explanations within the design system. 7. Team collaboration. Leverage Axure 10's collaboration features to share and collaborate with team members on the design system. By sharing projects and utilizing version control, ensure that all team members are using the latest version of the design system. These are general steps to create a design system in Axure 10. You can customize and expand them based on your specific project requirements and team needs. Axure provides rich functionality and tools to support the creation and management of design systems, enabling teams to collaborate and maintain consistency effectively.